Hello everyone, it's Rory here and welcome to another video. Today we got a fast train. I hope it's fun. Whoa, looks like it is fast. Oh, it's an awful zombie! Whoa! I didn't notice the train would come this fast. Whoa, that was cool. Oh, it's pulling so many cars. How many cars is it even pulling? Well, let's see if we can get some more. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, looks like we got another train coming. Let's see if we can get this one. Oh, it's fast. Look at this, guys! We didn't even hear it coming, actually. Well, let's see if we can catch some more. Stay tuned. Okay, here's the next one. I was never expecting this. Well, let's see if we can catch another one. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm thinking the next one's coming. I can hear it. I can hear it. Oh, it's a CSX again. Yeah, I'm surprised. Well, let's see if we can catch another one. Stay tuned. Okay, the next one is coming, I think. Oh, I can hear it. Okay, let's see if it... I'll be right back. Okay. I think it's coming, guys. Whoa! BNSF! CSX! Conrail! Conrail! Look at that! Look how fast it's going! We've never seen a train like this. Whoa! I've never seen that. Oh, red ones! I love red ones. Well, let's see if we can catch another one. Stay tuned. Okay, I believe the next train is coming. We can hear it. Let's hear the horn. It sounds like a Union Pacific. It is a Union Pacific. Let's get a little closer. It's in the hurry! We really want to get straight on time. Whoa! Look how fast it's going. I can't believe it's going this fast. Whoa! Black Tigers! I've never seen those. Look at those. Whoa. Well, let's see if we can catch another one. Stay tuned. Okay, the next one has a special type of locomotive. I don't know what it is, but it said it had a special locomotive, so I hope it is. Okay, turned off its belt. Oh, it's that. Okay, let's get a little closer to the track. This is the heritage unit. It's 1943! Oh my goodness! 19 43. Whoa. I have not seen a train with the heritage on the front. What? What in the yo? I've never seen a train with the heritage unit. Well, let's see if we can catch another heritage. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, the next one is coming. It said it has another heritage on the front. And it's a thing with 2 phalanx engines at the back. Let's see if it is. Let's do it. Okay, here it comes. I think it's the Katie! 2 phalanx engines. It's right. Whoa. I've never seen 2 Katie. Let's see if we can get another one. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we got another train coming. I think it's gonna blow the horn. Oh, it is coming. Here it comes. It's a BNSF with the 2 heritage locomotives. What? Oh wow, it's all just green. Look, it's all just green. Whoa, okay, let's see if we can catch some more. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we got another one coming. I think it's coming in fast. Let's see what it is. It's a Metrolink! Whoa! It's a Metrolink! We never got a Metrolink on this. Okay, let's see if we can spot some more. Stay tuned. Okay, the next train is coming. It said it was leading by a different locomotive, not by a regular CSX. Let's hope it's good. Okay. It sounds like a Ferromex. It's a Ferromex. CSX. Whoa! Must be hurrying to get his goods on time. Look at this, it's going so fast. Well, let's see if we can catch another one. Stay tuned. Okay, we got another train coming. I hope it's a good one. It's gonna be in a set at the front. It's a fast one. What's it being a set? Whoa! Norfolk Southern. Sierra. Canadian Pacific. Woo! Look at that! Canadian Pacific, guys. Whoa. Well, let's see if we can catch another one. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we got another one coming down the track. It's not even honking yet. Here it comes. It's a CN. Oh, whoa, it's fast. Look at it. It's so fast. Whoa, it's so fast. I don't believe it. Okay, well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.